Male dogs and female dogs can be different in simple ways. Male dogs are often bigger, more playful, and more attention-seeking. Some male dogs act goofy, clingy, and want to be around you all the time. Female dogs are often a little smaller, more independent, and may mature faster. Many female dogs can be loving, but they may also like their own space. But here's the truth. Gender does not decide everything. Every dog has its own personality, and love, training, and trust matter way more.